Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your iPad. First, head over to the App Store and download the game. It's a free download. Make sure your iPad has at least 4 GB of free storage space for the game and updates. A stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Once installed, launch the game and adjust your graphics settings to balance performance and visual fidelity for the best experience. Optimizing your controls is key to success on the iPad. The larger screen offers more space to customize your button layout, allowing for quicker reactions. Experiment with different placements until it feels natural and comfortable for your hands. Many advanced players use a 4-finger claw grip, which lets you aim, shoot, and move simultaneously. Spend some time in the training ground to fine-tune your aiming and movement before jumping into a match. Now let's talk strategy. Landing in a smart location is crucial. Aim for areas with good loot but not too many opponents initially. Focus on quickly gathering essential gear like a primary weapon, a secondary weapon, armor, and healing supplies. Always keep an eye on the map to monitor the shrinking play zone and plan your next move. Effective communication with your squad, using the in-game voice chat, will significantly increase your chances of winning. To elevate your gameplay, consider these advanced tips. Gyroscope aiming can provide incredibly precise adjustments, especially for long-range shots. Practice integrating it into your aiming routine. Wearing headphones is a game changer, allowing you to accurately locate enemies by their footsteps and gunshots. Always use cover effectively, peeking out to fire and quickly retreating. Finally, dedicate time to mastering quick-scope techniques and controlling weapon recoil for consistent sprays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.